Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you a very nice shortcut within Excel which will lower your dependence on all these formulas and perhaps more than these. I'm gonna go through maybe 5 to 8 formulas, how you can replace them. I'm not gonna comparing them side by side, but give you a clear idea how you can utilize this shortcut to your advantage, and I'm sure this will make you work faster. So let's dive into the video. For an example, I've got this list of names where I have names and surnames in the same cell, okay, and I want to separate them. So what I need to do is basically I need to provide a dummy data to this shortcut. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just basically type the name and surname separately and press this magical shortcut. Voila, job done. We didn't write any formula or anything, we just pressed this shortcut and it did the job for us. And you can see in the formula bar there is no formula in there, it's just a raw data. So what I've done, basically I pressed this magical shortcut which is Ctrl+E on your keyboard. What this shortcut does is basically it looks at the data in your left column and looks at the data on your right column, then looks at the data on the cells above where your cursor is and try to find a pattern and fill the rest of the cells within the column. I know it can be a bit complex to understand this, but don't worry, I'll guide you through all of it, and by the end of this video you will have better understanding of it. Okay, so basically this was the example how we can separate things from a single cell. What we also can do with it, like I said, we can concatenate. So let's do that. Let's say I don't have this list and I want to merge these two columns into one. So what I have to do, basically I need to provide a dummy data. And press Ctrl+E. You see, they are back together as they were before. And let's say you want to format them, make them lowercase, you can do that as well. Likewise, you can make them uppercase. Okay, you can format them as well. Let's say between the names I want to put this dash. You see, this time it didn't work. When you get an error message like this, that means you either didn't provide enough data or there is a space within your data column and where you're filling the data. Basically you got an empty column, which I have. You see, I have this empty column. Let me just delete it and press Ctrl+E. You see, it worked wonderfully. So this was example of left, right, concatenate, proper, upper and lower. What we can also do, we can substitute or add things within the strings. Let's say I want to call them Mr. Alex Rider. You see, we can add more things, substitute as well if we like. This is how we can do that. What we also can do, the most good thing about this shortcut is we can format things very easily. Let's say I've got these phone numbers, but I want to convert them into American phone number format. So all I have to do is provide a dummy data based on this actual data. So that would be 483 920 1576, and then press the shortcut Control E. Voila, you got all your number formatted without having to need to put any formula. So basically in just matter of few minutes I have given you example of more than 8 formulas. So this is how you can use this shortcut to your advantage, and it will definitely make you faster while you're working with the raw data, mainly when you're cleaning the data or organizing it. So that was the end of this video, guys. If you liked this video, please do like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. More than 98% of our viewers are not subscribed. Please support us so I can make more videos. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.